Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. I'm so excited because today we are working on a adorable wood project. We're making this coffee tray. Now, this I feel like is the perfect gift for that special someone or, you know, just that coffee lover in your life. Honestly, if a guy made me this, I would be head over heels. It's really so simple, but it says so much. So let's go get building. Oh, and make sure to watch all the way to the end because I am taking you for a coffee date. I'm gonna do some sunny story time with you so you can get to know me more. So don't go anywhere. So honestly, what I find so cute about this tray is you can make it your own. I added some coffee mugs and some K-cups. I thought the cinnamon sticks were cute. You can add a bag of coffee, utensils, syrups. You can make it really special. Also, I have been thinking about reopening my Etsy shop and selling some of these items. If that's something you guys would be interested in, let me know, because I'm very curious. Anyway, let's go over the tools we need. So, got my drill with my hole bit, my orbital sander, my router for the edging, got my pin nailer and jigsaw. Woo! I also have duct tape for my circle template and clear coat. If you want to clear coat it, you can. I'll probably leave this one raw because I like raw wood. Now let's talk about our wood. So I'm gonna use a few different sizes. This one is my base and I cut it to 6 inches wide, 22.5 inches long. You need 3 of these squares, which are 6.5 by 6 for your coffee mugs. Then 2 of each of these pieces. I've got my ends that are 8.5 by 2 inches and my sides that are 22 by 2. So let's go rip those on the table saw and the chop saw and then get to the fun part, assembling it. Once I have my wood cut to width and length, I'm going to cut out holes in my square pieces with my jigsaw. I'll use my hole saw bit to get a nice starting opening, and I like to use clamps to help hold my wood down. Once you have those holes cut, we're going to grab our staple gun and nail them down to our main board. Center them however you like, get creative and mix and match however you want. Once those are on, I'm going to grab my router and chamfer the edges. Make sure you do this before you staple on your top and side slats or you're not going to be able to fit your router in there later. Once those are edged off, I'll jump right on to stapling my top and side slats. Now remember to edge these before you staple them on. And to finish my wood off, I'm going to sand it really well. I want it nice and smooth, so just have fun with it. thank you for joining me for a coffee date. I decided we should go out in nature because it matches my mug and it's beautiful. Then we can just hang out and talk. So let's pour up a cup of joe and enjoy. Yummy! Yummy! I'm so excited to have a coffee date with you and to tell you more about myself. So I get asked a lot how I got into construction and building, and it is the most random thing, honestly. I started helping on a few jobs here and there, started dabbling into doing DIYs myself, and then I ended up going to Sun Valley, Idaho to build yurts on the top of the ski resort. Crazy for someone that doesn't like the snow, I know. But then moved from that to building my first home through COVID in 2020. That was fun. And I just built my second home I moved in last October. So that is how I got into building and all things construction. I've worked with heavy equipment, I've worked on odd jobs, I've played with a little bit of welding, but all the things. So that's more about me. And now let's enjoy some coffee. Yum! Oh, by the way, what do you think of my pants? I thought they were fun. They match the desert. Let me know what you think. Do you like them? Yes? No? I think the coffee is kicking in. Well, we're basically done here. Like I said, you can paint it, stain it, clear coat it, but I like raw wood, so I'm leaving mine raw. Thank you guys so much for spending time in the shop with me today. I had so much fun, and I really love the way this turned out. Let me know what you think, and if you end up making this for someone special. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you want to send me some woodworking project ideas, or you just want to see fun content, hit me up in the DMs, and until then, happy building!